Alright, the combatants are set, and we've run the data through all possibilities.
It's time for a death battle!
Oh man, oh no! You're fine, you're fine! This wasn't my fault!
I've never felt such weird cursed energy like his before. Say your prayers! You're a chainsaw curse?
Oh no! I'm the hero doll! Kicker of asses! Magnet to chicks! Half man, half devil! Chainsaw man! Let's finish this! Chainsaw instant death technique! Batter up, pink-haired punk-ass bitch!
Wait for it. I realized you had two cursed energy sources in one body, so I separated them. Speaking of... domain expansion.
You messed up, baby! Pojidan are our brothers! You'll never keep us apart! Domain expansion. Huh? Finally got you to stop moving! See? We can be smart too, huh?
Punk ass bitch.
Black Flash! Try it!
Human and a curse. Brothers. You don't see that every day. Phantom Parade! まだまだ強くなってやる!
KO! The winner